Hey everyone, so if you're tired of juggling keys, worrying about lost copies, or wondering who's coming and going, this smart lock from Veise might be the upgrade that your door needs. It's not just convenient, but it's also packed with a security feature and designed to fit basically all US based doors. So this right here is the lock, and as you can see, it's a number pad, and it's basically a game changer. You don't need a key. You can unlock this using a fingerprint, okay? So this is where the fingerprint is placed. You can unlock it using your smartphone app, Apple Watch, keypad, web portal, key fob, e-key, basically anything that doesn't need that good old-fashioned mechanical key. And the kind of flexibility that this serves is perfect for households with multiple users. Think Airbnbs or anyone who's basically tired of digging through their bag every time that they arrive at their door. Now, locking it up is easy. You have 5 ways to lock it. You can auto lock anywhere from 5 to 900 seconds. You can also tap the lock button up here up top. And you can also hold the number keypad, which is right here, in order to lock it as well. You can use a physical key still if you do decide to use a physical key, or you can twist the thumb turn button as well. But with this lock, it's fast, it's intuitive, and it lets you lock the way that feels most natural to you. Now, security-wise, this is a very secure lock, okay? So all passcodes are encrypted to prevent hijacking or unauthorized access. You also get full app control, so you can create or delete codes, you can set schedules, you can also assign access rights and view who entered them when and where. And so with that, if you're worried about installation, this lock basically fits all left or right-handed doors in the US. There's a clear manual that teaches you how to actually go ahead and install it. So this right here is the manual. It's very, very easy to install. This right here is the guide, but then you also have the user manual right over here that teaches you how to use the app and also how to install it. It's also got a warranty. It's got lifetime phone support and basically email support in case you do have trouble actually installing it. Now, one quick tip is that you don't want to change the master password using keypad before pairing the lock with your app, okay? So that is a word of advice. Make sure you don't change the password before you pair the lock. And so if you want a smart lock that gives you full control, strong security, and zero key stress, the Veise Smart Lock with handle is a solid option, whether it's for your home, rental, office, or it checks all the boxes for any type of use. And so I've had no problems with this whatsoever.